Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering a screwdriver, step stool, towel, and small container for screws. Have gloves if splinters worry you. Lower the blinds all the way and tilt the slats closed. This relieves tension on the headrail and keeps slats aligned. Now, locate the valance clips or end caps and either unhook or slide them outward. Pop the valance free and set it aside. Once done, make sure loose hardware goes into the container so nothing falls or gets lost. You need to identify the bracket type first, front release, spring clip, or a flip-open latch, because the removal motion differs. Support the headrail with one hand so it doesn't drop, then depress the clip or flip the latch while you unscrew any fasteners. This prevents bending the rail. Once released, slide the headrail straight out of the brackets and lower it carefully. Tilting or twisting can jam the mechanism or damage mounting hardware. Make sure cords aren't snagged. You'll finish by freeing the slats. Unhook ladder tapes or remove end caps to slide slats out one by one, stacking them neatly to avoid damage. Label or bag small parts. Tilt mechanism pieces, spacers, and screws so reinstallation is straightforward. Before you leave, inspect the brackets and screw holes, tighten loose screws, or replace stripped anchors to ensure a secure reinstall. If something binds or the headrail won't clear, check for hidden screws and make sure cords are fully freed before forcing anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.